Unraveling the phrase, take after, a dive into English resemblance expressions. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, take after. Many of you might have come across this phrase in movies, songs, or in conversation with native speakers. Understanding such phrases can be key to fluency in English. So, if you're curious to find out what it means to take after someone and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations, stay tuned. Take after is a phrasal verb in English. To take after someone means to resemble a family member in appearance, behavior, or temperament. It's often used when talking about family traits that are passed down through generations. For example, when someone says, "He takes after his father," they mean that he looks or acts like his father. It's a phrase that encompasses more than just physical resemblance. It can also refer to mannerisms, talents, or habits that are similar between relatives. The phrase, take after, has been used in the English language for many centuries. It originated from the concept of taking or receiving something, in this case, characteristics from someone else, typically a family member. Let's look at some examples of how to use take after in sentences. Everyone says I take after my mother because we both have the same smile. My brother takes after my granddad, not just in looks but also in his love for gardening. Remember, take after is used when the resemblance is strong and noticeable. In some cultures, saying that someone takes after a particular relative can be a form of compliment or pride, especially when the relative is well regarded or has admirable traits. However, it's important to use it appropriately, as it can also be sensitive if the comparison is unwelcome or unfavorable. Learning phrasal verbs can be challenging, but they are essential in sounding like a native speaker. Here are some tips. 1. Learn them in context. Memorize examples, not just definitions. 2. Practice using them in sentences and real-life situations. 3. Listen for them in movies, TV shows, and conversations around you. That's a wrap on the meaning and usage of take after. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase like a pro. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at spotting these phrases and incorporating them into your English. Happy learning, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.